In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar using Zapier in a seamless and straightforward integration tutorial that takes just about 5 minutes. To get started, you'll need an account with Zapier. If you haven't already, make sure to sign up and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Zapier dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to create a new automation. Click on the plus create button to kick things off. This will begin the process of setting up what Zapier calls a Zap, an automated workflow connecting your apps. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Zaps section. It's a helpful category on the platform where you manage or browse through existing workflows and even create new ones. Once in the Zaps window, look for the trigger option and give it a click. The trigger is what sets off your workflow. Think of it as the starting gun for the rest of your automated actions. In the search bar provided, type in Microsoft To Do. This application will act as the trigger app in your Zap. Over on the right side of the screen, you'll notice an option labeled Trigger Event. Click on this to choose what specific event will inspirit your automation. From the drop-down menu, select New Task. This means whenever a new task is added to Microsoft To Do, your Zap will spring into action. Click Continue to move forward. At this point, you'll be prompted to further specify your trigger. Click on the drop-down menu under the list label and select Task. Then keep the momentum going by hitting that Continue button once more. Our next stop on this journey takes us to the action portion of the setup. Here, you'll be deciding what action will result after the trigger event. A newly created task takes place. Locate Google Calendar from the list of options and select it. You're building a bridge between Microsoft To Do and Google Calendar here. With Google Calendar selected, click on Action Event. This will prompt you to choose what type of action you want to happen within Google Calendar. Select Create Detailed Event. Now click Continue to progress to the next step. Now you'll have some essential fields to fill out. This is where you input the specific details of how you'd like your new Google Calendar events to be set up. Once all the required fields are completed, hit Continue again. Having reached this point, you'll want to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. Click Test Step to make sure all the gears of your Zap are turning nicely together. If everything checks out and the test is successful, it's time for the grand finale. Hit Publish to make your Zap official, and just like that, you now have an automated workflow connecting Microsoft To Do and Google Calendar flawlessly. Enjoy your newfound efficiency and organization.